They're down. I said they are down of you.
They're proud of me.
Yeah, because they say woman is driving this. Get it?
Abdullah. Good afternoon, internet. It is 2 p.m. 2 in the afternoon, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome here to the Saloum Delta. I'm just getting ready because my boat is here. So today I'm going to leave the island, get back to Senegal mainland, but on the other side. So I think it's about a 3 or 4 hour boat ride, and so I have a boat. It's going to be interesting because we have to get Alaska on board again, but I'm sure it'll be fine. So I'm just going to load up the last things on Alaska, ride her on the beach there, and then we're going to load her up, and off I go. Off we go. Oh, I'm glad this boat has a little roof. I wasn't sure what boat I was going to get myself on. This is nice because I was already getting a little bit worried to sit in the burning sun for 3 or 4 hours. That's why I thought let's put my cap on, but it's actually really nice. I have some shade here, and yeah, it'll probably take about 3 or 4 hours to cross the delta, and then I'm pop out on the other side in a town called Taboukuta. I think it's called Taboukuta. Look, we're sailing right past the mangrove forest here. We are nearly there. It is so relaxing that I have been struggling to stay awake. Just been fighting against the sleep. Really, really nice. The wind just started to pick up just now. But anyway, we're almost there. So.
Apa nak kuyang kamu kuning itu?
Be on this side.
Angkut.
Da koy lendi rek. C'est pas facile hein. Patat.
Bye. Made it to the mainland. Just gonna find a place to stay for now. Au revoir. Wow, look at this. Oh, amazing, these trees. So beautiful. Oh, here's an auberge. It's not the one I was thinking of staying, but looks nice too. See if they have some room. Okay, bye Joe! Very nice people. Again, everywhere in Senegal. Always a country. Okay, let's continue. Let's do a border crossing. It's time for the Gambia. I'm very close to the border. It's like 40 kilometers, I think. Very confused. There's like signs everywhere. Like halt, douane, halt. Gendarmerie, but I don't see anyone. The Senegal side. Let me see. Douane. Bonjour. Over here? Okay, merci. Bonjour. I go Gambia. Yeah. Passport?
No, assurance.
Ah, okay, yeah. Yeah. Senegal side done. That was easy. Now the Gambian side. Oh. Thought somebody was whistling at me. Okay, this is Gambian side. I go there or here? This one. Okay. That was a piece of cake. I think I'm done. I'm just keeping my papers ready in case I need to show my passport one more time or something. But I think I'm in. Yeah, that went very smooth. They stamped my carnet de passage, stamped my passport, and yeah, I changed some money. we were almost changing money right in front of immigration, and then this policeman was like, "What are you guys doing here?" So we had to move to a corner. But anyway, I got my money changed. I bought a local SIM. I just need to put some internet on it. I don't have to buy insurance anymore because remember in St. Louis in Senegal, I bought insurance that will last me until I reach the Congo. So I don't have to worry about this for a long time. So I think I can say it. Welcome to the Gambia! And Gambia is one of the smallest countries of the African continent. The Gambia is very narrow. It's long but narrow, and I think it's only 50 kilometers if I would cross it straight through, which of course I'm not going to do. I'm gonna follow the river Gambia for a little bit inland, but yeah, it's a very small country, and on three sides it's fully surrounded by Senegal. Only it has a little piece on the coast, but on all the other sides Senegal is surrounding the Gambia. So that also means when I'm leaving the Gambia, I'm gonna re-enter Senegal again. But that's for later. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
How's your day?
Good.
Hope
Thanks.
you are okay.
How's your day?
Where are you going?
To Serekunda.
To Serekunda.
Yes.
You mean that you know here very well?
Not yet. It's my first time.
Your first time going.
Yes.
And you pronounce this, the word Serekunda very well.
Oh, thank you.
Huh?
Thanks.
Can I see the laissez-passer of the vehicle? The bike?
Yes. The Carnet de Passage?
Yes.
Yeah. You from Banjul?
No.
No.
Yeah, I'm from the border.
Ah, from the border.
Which nationality?
Holland.
Dutch, Holland.
Yes.
Holland people are tall.
I know.
So why you are short?
I don't know.
That's nature then.
Something went wrong. I don't know.
You are the one who said that. Van Dijk.
Virgil van Dijk. Yes. Yeah.
Supporter of Liverpool.
Very good player, huh?
Very fine player.
I know. Big guy. Big guy.
The big guy and tall.
Yeah, yeah.
He's a real Hollander.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good too.
You're good too?
Where are you coming from?
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yes.
All the way from Netherlands.
Yes.
It's too far, man. So
It is far.
with this motorbike,
Yes.
Netherlands. So how is
Thanks.
Gambia? Welcome to Gambia.
Thank you.
I just coming from Gambia.
I just come from border.
Senegal.
Yeah. Today first day Gambia.
Gambia.
Yeah.
Okay, from Gambia.
I go towards Senegal and then Guinea-Bissau, Guinea, Liberia, Sierra Leone, Cote d'Ivoire, all Africa.
From there you go, you went back.
Yeah.
With motorbike again. No. I appreciate all this thing, man.
Thanks, man.
I like this motorbike.
You like it?
I like it.
Cool, man. I go?
Yeah, I can go.
Okay. He likes my motorbike. Alright, I'm very close to the ferry now. So somewhere I must buy a ticket. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Hi.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Can I ask you something? Where can I buy tickets for the ferry?
For the ferry. Okay, now what are you going to do? Come this side.
Okay.
Now you just manage this road. You see that flag there?
Yes.
Okay. Opposite.
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 There's the ticket office.
Just then
Okay.
ask them. They will.
Okay.
Go and buy ticket. Okay.
Thank you. Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Do you know where I can buy a ticket?
Back here? Go inside.
Go inside.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Okay, I have a ticket. It's all a little bit chaotic, but I think the ferry just got here. I mean, I see a lot of people. Do I go through here?
Yes. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Ticket.
Yes, I have.
Yes. Oh, thank you. You're great. Great. Welcome.
Thank you. Okay.
Lady I love.
Huh?
You are the lady I love.
I'm sure.
Okay.
Okay.
How's your journey?
Good. Very, very good. Thanks, man. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Hi. I go in here. More inside or here? Here? Okay. Who's busier?
Yeah, because
Busy. How many times a day is the ferry?
sometimes we do almost 7 trips. Sometimes for that one we do almost 8 trips.
Oh, 8 trips.
Yeah, and you have a 2 ferry here.
Right.
That ferry could take it.
They're down. I said they are down of you.
They're proud of me.
Yeah, because they say woman is driving this.
From which country?
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
From Netherlands, you come by aeroplane or
No, motor.
in the Netherlands la bàyyi ko ak vélo bi ba fii. Na ñaari weer.
Go, go, go.
Okay, go, 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 go. Bye. I go. Bye, man.
See you next time.
See you next time. Do I have to do something here? I don't think so. I go?
Your ticket.
Ah! Yes, sir.
From which country?
Netherlands.
Netherlands. Oh,
Yeah.
nice country. Your name?
Noorali.
Nice to meet you. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Nice to meet you. Okay, bye. Right. I have found a very nice place to stay, so I am going to sit under the mango tree and show you kind of where I am. Oh, what a day, what a day. I'm happy I made it here, and I mean the border crossing went super smooth. The ferry, I think actually the ferry crossing was more chaotic than the border crossing, but all in all it all went really well. So this is what I was talking about before, that you can see that Senegal is completely surrounding the Gambia, and I crossed the Saloum Delta, and then here where you see that tiny little purple dot, that is where I got back to land, and then I crossed the border here, and now I'm here in Serekunda, and in the next ride I am going to ride all the way through Gambia to around this area, and that will be 300 kilometers. So the width is only about 50 kilometers, and in the next ride I'm going to ride about 300 kilometers into the Gambia. So yeah, very small country, but I've heard many great things about it, so I'm really excited to head into the country. So yeah, I'm going to have a nice shower because I'm really dusty and hot. So that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.